My name is Vikas Rawat, and I am the founder and CEO of Global Garner Sales Services Private Limited. And I welcome you all in short business opportunity presentation of Global Garner. So let's start. We started our operation in Feb 2016. We officially launched our app in 2017, April 2017 to be very specific. Till today, we have done a GMV of more than 120 crores, and this company was started with the loan capital of only 3.08 lakh rupees, which today is almost 216 crore rupee company, and this valuation is done by Pentomath Capital Advisory Private Limited, which is a category 1 merchant banker, and this valuation has been done in November 2019, right? Adding to few of more of our achievements, we have been awarded by two of these CMs of the country, one from Gujarat, one from MP, and also we are very and proud to tell you that Times of India is our shareholder. So we are a Times Group invested company where Times Group has studied our business model, and here it has showed trust in our business model and the entire leadership of Global Garner. So I think that is the biggest achievement of Global Garner till date, that a 180-year-old company has shown that much trust to us that they have become our shareholders. Okay. So now let's see what is Global Garner. Now let's talk about our unique product. And why we say this unique, because again this is world's biggest interaction what we I'm going to tell you. Now I have already told you that vendor will easily come in Global Garner. Why? Because it is totally an zero upfront cost, correct? So now what we are trying to do in this UPOS is that now anyone was selling his own product, but now with UPOS he can make his shop a universal point of sales. Without having any loan, without having anything, he can now sell 20 crore product and services to his existing customer. Let's take an example for that. Let's say you are a grocery store owner again. You have 500 families with you. Today you sell them only groceries, and that too they buy you not in bulk but in whenever you are a reserve quota for them, right? But now you can tell those customers, sir, you buy that reserve quota from us, and when you are doing big shopping from maybe Big Basket, yeah, or Amazon or Flipkart or maybe Big Basket, you buy that through us, because now you will be eligible for all those cashback. I will not repeat it again and again, but now you have that eligibility to sell anything and everything which is available on Global Garner. You can tell your customer, sir, till today I was selling you groceries, till today I was selling you mobiles, till today I was selling you insurance, till today I was giving you only and only cable operator services, but now I have a system through which I can actually cater anything and everything. You want flight, you can call me. You want a Vera Moda shirt or a brand voucher, anything you want, anything from Alibaba, anything from Amazon, anything from your nearby vendors, I can help you in shopping. And by taking my help, first of all, you need not to pay me anything. All incentives will be given by Global Garner. So my services to you are totally free, but you get the cashback and everything. And this software cost only 54,000 rupees. You just think that this product which gives you anything and everything, like you must have seen Amazon coming up with Amazon Easy, where you can sell only Amazon, but they are charging almost 3 lakh rupees. There is a company in a name of Store King. For to have their setup, you require a running business, first of all, a shop with XXS, and it is almost 10 to 15 lakh rupees investment with no reward structure for your consumer, nothing, and it is totally again physical, where your customer has to come to you. This UPOS enables you to sell anything and everything across India. And even if that customer is out of India also, then also you can give him hotel or any services, right? So this is world's biggest inter-exchange of businesses, where actually you are not buying any franchise, you are not getting into any franchise business, but you are actually trading into anyone and everyone. And because this is a digital platform, you are able to sell without boundaries. So let's say if you are based out of Bangalore and you want to sell someone in Bihar, you can do that. And you have to ask that customer to go Big Bazaar in that state only or that city only. You need not to tell him, okay, I do something extraordinary for you. So you are not changing that customer's preference, but now because that consumer is taking services from you, he is eligible for his cashback and you are eligible for your commissions from Global Garner. And with this 54,000, you also get 50,000 rupees worth movie voucher. And these movie voucher are worth rupees 100 each. So you get 500 movie voucher plus a standee display board. So it is almost negligible investment that you are doing for this software, right? But this software enables you to actually trade into India's entire economy and brand services, whatever you know. Plus, not only you get commissions from Global Garner, but you also get 10x of GG coin. So let's say, for an example, you sold a Arrow shirt on which you got 4% as a direct incentive. But understand, underline this is not 4% for you, it is 44% for you. How? You are getting 10x of incentive earn. So let's say you have earned only 4%, but the actual incentive you will realize is 4% immediate incentive and 40% of the coin benefit that you are getting. And again, those coin you can convert in My Circle by creating a My Circle. And for you, creating a My Circle will be easiest job because you already will be having at least 500 customers, wherein in My Circle you only need 6. So I think you have the biggest probability. A vendor and a UPOS has the biggest opportunity to create My Circle very fast. And therefore we are giving these GG coins in abundance to you so that you can get benefit out of that, right? Again, this is just a brief description. To know more, you have to click on the link given in our YouTube this video, and attend our BOP, full BOP, which is almost of 3 hours. We'll let you know how to do it. So this was just a small brief about us. So let's join hand to empower India and empower everything.